NS-ARC product offering is a commitment to our customers to improve their processability, their reliability, and ultimately improve their product. The NS-ARC brand is a leap forward into an innovative era for national standard. It's a commitment to our customers, our people, and our community.
It's all about continuous improvement of customer service. To be a leader in the welding market, we have to continue to learn and evolve to make sure that we are meeting our customers' requirements and the customer experience.
Our product offerings meet the demanding needs of our customers in a variety of industries, from automotive to truck and trailer manufacturing to shipbuilding, pipeline, rail car, and many others. What sets NS-ARC apart from our competitors is that we make a number of product lines that are drawn and packaged here in Stillwater. Several products are 100% made in the U.S.A.
Innovations in NS-ARC, where to begin? I think the marketing strategy that we have put in place in the last year has helped us immensely. We've been able to partner with strategic partners to give them the opportunity to supply our product in new ways that maybe we have not seen in the past. We're growing as far as in the marketplace, growing within our distributor ranks. We'll continue to grow both. We've actually expanded based on customers' demands to be able to use some packaging in smaller packages, but also to increase our packaging size based upon some of our larger users. We're constantly working on expanding the roles of our district sales managers and regional sales managers to cover geographic areas. Ultimately, the rebrand has opened doors for us, gave us more opportunities to get into clients that we may not have been in the past.
At NS-ARC, over the last year, we've developed strategic marketing partnerships with Buggo and Cluse to target specific customer needs within those niche markets. These collaborations play a specific role in how we're going to develop product. We're able to understand how we're going to marry our wire with their technology and their specific automated solutions. So customer feedback is extremely important to NS-ARC, and we've been able to take the voice of the customer and understand what their challenges are. It is driving our innovation, and it's driving things like weldability and feedability to give our customers a better user experience and to improve the efficiencies within our end users. Looking forward, the rebrand will drive our product innovation by leveling up our organization and its expertise in specific segments of the market. So going forward, NS-ARC has tailored a product roadmap that will meet the needs of anyone from the hobbyist all the way to an industrial user.
The ARC starts here.
The ARC starts here.
The ARC starts here. The ARC starts here.